What's up everybody, Bubba D's here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And today we're gonna be doing something super quick and easy. We're doing blueberry jam the easy way. So let's get started with the recipes. You're gonna need 2 pounds of blueberries, 1 lemon. You're gonna need some cornstarch and some sugar. Now you can always use honey as a substitute. I will put the link below if you don't wanna use sugar. So let's get everything rolling. You're gonna need to put all of your blueberries directly into your pressure cooker. Then from there, you wanna go ahead and put in your sugar, or if you follow the honey recipe that will be linked below, you can do honey as well. You wanna cut your lemon in half, give it a good squeeze, and make sure that your seeds are removed. Go ahead and give it a stir. Then we're gonna go ahead and get ready to close our pressure cooker. Make sure we put it on high pressure for 2 minutes, and we're gonna be doing a natural release. Once it comes to a natural release, you can go ahead and open up the lid. You'll see your blueberries nicely inside there. We'll give that a nice little stir. Then we wanna put it on our saute feature. And we want to do that for about 5 minutes. We're going to add our 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch mix with 2 tablespoons of water. Give that a nice little stir. We'll do that for probably about roughly 2 minutes or so. I'll start to thicken up really nice. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and take our pot out of our pressure cooker and put it on our cooling rack. And that's pretty much it. You got beautiful blueberry jam, super quick and easy. It is something that can save you quite a bit if you're really into jams. My son loves it. It is phenomenal, great with toast, great with waffles, pretty much good with anything. So enjoy, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe.